Alright, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be time-lapse building the Saturn V rocket from the Lego Ideas line. I hope you enjoy. Alright, I just finished the first part. This section here, this is really big actually. I'm holding this like my arm all the way out. I can't get my fingers around it. I've got other stuff I gotta do. I'm gonna finish this and later then. But I hope you've enjoyed so far. I'm just pausing the time lapse for a little bit just to show you how incredibly complex this build is of the inside. I don't even know how somebody managed to come up with and learn how to build something like this. It's insane. Anyway, back to the time lapse. Okay, so I finished the Saturn rocket. I've arranged it from the final stage of the rocket, the smallest one here, all the way to the biggest one. Now, I had no idea just how big this set is, but it's actually huge. Like, it is really tall. But I'm just gonna kind of go over what the rocket would kind of do, I guess. So this is the first stage of the rocket, and the final stage of the rocket. This would be the orbiter that would actually go around the moon and deploy the lunar lander to land on the surface. You need to actually take that piece off, and from there, before that, it would actually be part of this rocket, which is one of the final stages, and it would be attached to this. It's kind of hard to stick back together. But anyway, from this stage, which is the third to last stage, it would go here onto an even larger piece. And this would all have been attached from the big boy, which is almost as tall as all the other three combined. It would be all the way up on here from, just trying to see there. It would be this, oh my gosh, I gotta back up. This entire thing is the rocket. It barely fits. It's so tall. But of course, the rocket has a purpose, and that's to land people onto the moon. So this is the original rocket that would have landed on the moon. And what it would have deployed is here, the lunar lander. This is a very, very small build, but it's very well done. Sorry, I almost voice crack there. It's just a small little lunar lander with a little bit of moon surface, I guess, with some astronauts and a small American flag piece. And after the rocket had orbited the Earth and deployed the lunar lander and gone back up, they would have needed to get the astronauts back in the capsule, which lands in the ocean to prevent them from all dying, which is be bad actually. And this is just a couple pieces. It's really well done though, just like the rest of the set. Which, yes, that kind of the end of this video. I really like this set. It's very, very well done, and I especially love the Lego Ideas set, or Lego Ideas sets in general. You probably know, if you keep up with the Lego news and stuff, that there's going to be a 4th NASA project coming from Lego Ideas, which I don't really want another one. I'm not really that interested in it. It's just going to be the space station. And after the last one, which was a horrible disaster, I mean, it can't be any worse, but that's it. The set is pretty great, especially if you are looking for some nice pieces or just a huge, great build. And make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.